Hello, this is the upgrade video for Tornadoes. First, you should prepare a piece of SD card and format the SD card into FAT32. Before the upgrade, please copy your personal files, avoid it from losing during the process. Then, download the firmware file into the SD card. And before inserting the SD card, you should make sure the power of tablet PC is more than 40%. Then turn off the tablet PC and insert the SD card. And one more time, press the volume key minus, meanwhile turn on the tablet PC. And there will be hints showing on the screen as upgrading, please wait. When the screen shows options, please take the last one. Reboot to the factory set. The upgrade process takes about 2 minutes. After the upgrade is completed, the system will automatically reboot. Then you should check the system information. The startup interface language is Chinese, and you can adjust it as the following procedure. From setting to language, then to English.